Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny, and in this video we are going to learn how we can use HTTP client to make HTTP requests like get, post, put and delete. So this is an essential skill for any Angular developer working with APIs. So let's get started. So first of all, make sure that HTTP client module is imported in our application. So if you are using Angular 19, then we will be using a standalone components. So there is a different way to import it. So in the screen you can see in the imports, we have imported HTTP client module. But in case of Angular 19, there is a different way, and we have already imported it, and I will show you. So we have created this service, app config. So you can see app config file, line number 10, provide HTTP client. So we have to declare it in the providers in app config.ts to make the HTTP client working in Angular 19 application. So next thing is to create a service where we will be calling the API. So we already have done, and I will show you. Otherwise we also can create another service. So let me see the previous examples. So here we have used HTTP client module to get information or a listing from the post from JSON placeholder. So we can look on this example to understand it. So here we have created a get post, and we are calling the API with this dot http get, and this http is coming from the constructor where we have initialized, and we have used this http client, and it has been imported from Angular common http. And we have created here interface export interface ipost to make it compatible with the data coming from this JSON placeholder posts. So let's check out this way. And now we have code this get posts already in our first component like this. So this dot post dollar is equal to this data service get posts, and we can use this variable, and we have created it as observable. So like this. And this is showing here these posts. So guys, I thought we already have done it, so I will give you explanation on only explanation in this video. So how we can use Angular HTTP client in our application. So we can use this HTTP client to make API calls, whether we are making a get request, whether we are posting data to the API, or updating, or maybe delete. So whether it's a get, post, put, delete, we have to use this HTTP client module for making the API calls. And if we want to handle HTTP errors, then we can use the catch error from RxJS to handle errors gracefully. So now the conclusion is observable. Angular HTTP client works with observables, allowing asynchronous data streams, and we can use catch error for error management. And interceptor, I will be creating a separate video for it. So that's it for this video. And if you like my video, then please do uh, share, subscribe, and like this channel. So catch you in next video. Thank you.